Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their services and products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, nandito po tayo ngayon sa 101 Topwings. So this is located dito sa Friendship Highway along Koreatown.
Yes.
And as a matter of fact, this is our second time to be here. So let me give you a snippet of what we had before. Yeah, it's almost falling out. Sobrang cheese na. Dahil sobrang cheese. You also have your pickles, I think. Bell pepper, onion. What else? Yung ano? Alright, so more of that, guys. We're gonna provide the link below. But today, something really great for us consumers. Lalong-lalo na yung naging favorite nila si 101 Topwings.
So later we will be announcing some discounts and promos. So tara, let's go!
Alright, so once again guys, thank you for being with us in this vlog. So, eto na tayo ngayon ulit for the second time. Meron tayong bagong kasama ngayon, si Miss Baby Lynn. So, I heard from our orientation earlier, you have your new dishes,
yes.
Diba?
The first one is the beef triangle.
Tingnan natin kung yung nasa loob. Ayan.
Cheese, yung meat po sa pili.
Binalot siya na medyo crust na bread. You have your meat which is really tender.
At the same time, meron siyang parang jalapeno na lasa.
Yeah, amazing. What can you say? Grabe.
Malasang-malasa pa rin yung beef.
Masang malasa actually.
For sure, mag-e-enjoy ka nito pag kinakain.
Yeah.
Another dish na naman na bago dito is yung
Full chicken. Meron po siyang side dish na radish, mild sauce, and then salt and pepper.
There you go. So I grabbed a whole itapaan. Let's try first yung ano natin. Salt and pepper.
in fairness dun sa chicken nila. Dinit ko siya dun sa mild sauce nila. So ang sarap. It complements yung lasa ng chicken and yung sauce nila.
Chicken is actually crispy in the outside and then super duper juicy in the inside. So, hindi ka masusuya habang kinakain.
Yes.
So, the next dish that I am really excited to taste is yung kanilang seafood noodles. Take a look at this, guys. Seafood na nandito. So, you have your mussels, your shrimp, some, vegetables, squid rings. Wow, so amazing how they can come up with that really, really amazing flavor. So we proceed with this one.
Mini burger set. 4 flavors of mini burger. Crazy Hot cheeseburger, and then peanut butter and bacon cheese. And then French fries. Then you have 2 drinks.
Alright, okay, so this is the hot burger.
With also bacon.
And yours is
Cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger. Okay. Then yung natira guys is a peanut butter flavor. Okay, let's taste it. Ciao. Wow. Malalasahan mo talaga siya. They really have a strong flavor. You get the value of your money.
At the same time, kahit sinabi na siya na mini siya, pero loaded pa rin siya ng ingredients and flavor.
Wings po namin na bagong labas is the galbi wings.
Galbi. For the rest of the flavors, what do we have?
Honey mustard, garlic pepper, hot wings, honey barbecue, and then lemon.
So since natikman ko na yung mga flavors nila before, I'm gonna taste yung kanilang bago. This is Galbi.
Yes po guys.
Never fail. Super duper ang sarap.
Yung lasa ng galbi, nasa loob. Lasang-lasa mo talaga yung flavoring niya.
Ano pong aburiyo kayo ni?
Denny wings.
Alright, so we're gonna continue with the Humpback Steak. So dun sa Humpback Steak natin, you get this really huge patty or the steak. And then you get some vegetables. I think these are sauteed vegetables. Some mushrooms. Plus yung sauce natin, it's really, it's saucy. Plus yung egg natin. Alright.
So sa akin naman syempre yung signature burger nila.
Yung best seller namin sa burger, yung 101 signature burger. Meron po siyang shrimp, bacon, and 101 dressing, tomato, pickles, lettuce, and then the 152 grams of patty.
Check this out. Ito yung 101 signature burger nila. So makikita nyo talaga yung patty, sobrang kapal. At the same time, may mga konting juice siya na lumalabas. Makikita na lang juicing juice. This signature burger nila, it never fails yung lasa talaga. It remains the same. Kung paano namin siya natikman nung first time namin nandito, hanggang ngayon ganito pa rin yung lasa niya. Sobrang sarap and sobrang sulit.
From now po is 11 a.m. to 9 p.m.
And then that is Monday to Sunday.
Yes.
So for a minimum of 600 pesos, around Angeles area, it's gonna be free delivery.
Yes.
They have their new promo.
So this is called the COVID-19 discount.
You get 19% off on all the dishes. This is happening already September 1 up until
Back to normal.
to normal. Food is really a lot. So again, we would like to thank 101 Topwings for allowing us to taste their new dishes. And another new dish that we're going to taste before we bid you farewell is yung kanilang
101 apple toast. Isa sa mga naging best seller po namin.
So this is gonna be our dessert. Thanks so much, Mom Baby, for being with us in this video. So there you have it, guys. We're gonna enjoy this apple toast. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.
Mom sabi yung peace out. Bye guys, bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching.